another guitar. But this guitar is a bass guitar. Bass GSR Micro, GSR M20. Yep, this is the exact one.
We're going back to the boat. We only have a few items we're taking with us. Our salon cushions, which we redid. We gotta fit 3 kids right there. I think there's plenty of space. You gotta slide in.
You have to get unmarried.
I think movies make popcorn can be brand new.
No.
There's no room. You take out his brothers.
I gotta get these few things in too.
Not buckling.
Yes, you will. All right. Now I'm gonna go off camera to hug you.
Okay.
Okay. Home sweet home.
Ooh, and this is the grand finale. Oh wait, almost. Right here. Boom.
Okay.
This is so weird.
I'm gonna bring it forward a little bit.
Oh, there we go. Dang, it fits.
That's perfect.
Why is there so much stuff? Why? Oh man. So much to clean. So much. So much to put away. Someone hit our boat. And it's pretty bad, guys.
It's really bad on the inside. I actually thought it would look a lot worse out here. I mean, it's still really bad.
It's a lot of damage.
It's like they started there.
Yeah, because there's bits
Looks
of
like
it.
it could be something pretty heavy. This looks like it's a piece of airboat.
Can we save that for evidence? So, if you come with me, don't look at the awful mess of our bedroom right now, but this is where the main damage looks like it occurred. I mean, you can pretty much see like wood. This whole thing is cracking and falling apart. So that's what we got to come home to last night. And we actually didn't even know it until we moved our pillows away and blankets off the wall there. Oh my God. Our house is falling apart. But we have new sofa cushions, right?
Oh yeah, I got in a fist fight with a shark. It was pretty awesome.
A fist fight with the shark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because sharks have fists.
You need to go back to school. So the old trampoline cord, you can see right here. And it's starting to come apart and fray a little bit. We are replacing it with all brand new stuff. It should make it nice and secure. getting there.
So basically we moved onto the boat and then we found out someone else hit us, so then we had to move back off the boat after carrying all of our stuff. So much things here, organizing everything, and then we find out a boat hits us. People have to do work on our boat because we're not spending the money, because that's not our fault that someone did that to us. So
We are going to get hauled out probably in about 2 weeks, and then we'll get everything fixed from there. But right now we're just enjoying it. We're enjoying every moment.
And the new fans.
Yeah, the new fans. And we have friends coming. Oh, are you recording? Oh, we're here. We're watching our new friend's boat, right?
Yeah, this isn't our boat.
Luke is testing out. He's having a wild time. Testing out the swing. Trying it out.
It's gonna work out.
Enjoying this spacious, beautiful boat.
let's see if I can tie your hand.